the new federal budget comes into effect. Hi, this is Iman Tasleem. Let's have a look at 6 p.m. headline. Government launches Petroleum Price Stabilization Fund. The federal government has established a Petroleum Prices Stabilization Fund to reduce the impact of fluctuations in fuel prices. The Finance Ministry has issued the official notification and assigned a dedicated account for the fund. Rules for its operation will be jointly prepared by the Finance Ministry, Petroleum Division and OGRA. Finance Act 2026-27 officially enforced nationwide. The government has issued the Gazette notification for the Finance Act 2026-27, formally bridging the new federal budget into effect from July 1st. All tax measures, custom duties, sales tax provisions, and other fiscal reforms are now legally enforceable. The FBR has been directed to ensure strict implementation of the new financial measures. Pakistan raises alarm over Indus Water Treaty. Climate Change Minister Musaddiq Malik said the real issue is not water scarcity but control over water flows, accusing India of using water as a weapon. He warned that weakening the Indus Water Treaty could set a dangerous global precedent for international river shading agreements. The minister called the issue one of the justice with worldwide implications. 3 girls killed as school wall collapses in Umarkot. 3 minor girls lose their lives after a school wall collapsed while they were returning home from a madrasa in Umarkot. Rescue teams recovered the victims from the rubble and shifted them to hospital. Sindh Chief Minister Murad Ali Shah has ordered an immediate inquiry and directed authorities to conduct a transparent investigation. IHC issues summer vacation schedule. The Islamabad High Court has announced its 2-month summer vacation starting July 1st, along with revised court timings. Chief Justice Sardar Mohammad Sarfaraz Togar will remain on duty throughout the vacation, while judges will hear urgent matters on a roster basis. Bail and other emergency cases will continue to be heard, while the diary branch remain open for new files. For more such updates, stay connected to Pakistan Connect.